In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning photo using Inshot mobile app in just 1 minute. Let's get started. Open the Inshot app in your phone, tap on the video option. Tap on the new to start a new project. Select the photos you want to include in your slideshow or video and tap the green check mark to import them. Next will be resize. Inshot will give you an option to resize your video. In resize will give you multiple options to change the size, zoom in, zoom out, and you can change the background as well. The next step will be transition, a tool which will say effect, and you need to tap on that. After tapping on the effect, Inshot will give you multiple options to transition your videos. After that, you need to add music. So to add music, you need to tap on the music icon, choose a track from Inshot's library, and save and export your video. Finally, you need to tap on the save in the top right corner. And that's it. You have created a beautiful video from photos in just 1 minute using the Inshot app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials.